Hi. Today we are going to be unboxing the new Picasso Pro soft tissue diode laser from AMD. As you open the box, you'll find the AMD laser's limited warranty sheet. Next, you'll find the laser safety sign. Then the Picasso quick start guide. And the Picasso Pro operator's manual. Every Picasso laser comes with a variety pack of assorted disposable Picasso laser tips. It also comes with laser safety glasses. 3 pairs of laser safety glasses are included. In this box is a power supply. There is one whitening handpiece attachment. Here is the power cord that connects to the power supply. It also comes with one Picasso fiber spool, 2 laser unit keys, and a pack of handpiece barrier sleeves. There is one fiber optic cable with the Picasso multi-tip handpiece, and one wireless foot pedal. Picasso Pro also comes with an iPad mini, which is used as the display and control panel for the Picasso Pro laser. At the center of it all is the Picasso Pro soft tissue diode laser unit itself. To go a step further, here is the iPad mini. The iPad mini has been fitted with a MagSafe attachment to allow the iPad to magnetically mount to the front of the Picasso Pro unit. When you order your Picasso Pro laser, you will also receive a separate box that contains some additional useful tools and accessories. Included are LEAP solution syringes used to perform the new laser endodontic ablation procedure, which has been tested to achieve 99.99% disinfection of the root canal. Also included are the new disposable LAPA or laser-assisted pain relief therapy tips, which come in 2 varieties, angled tips and straight tips. Also included is a 20-pack of the 200-micron LEAP single-use disposable tips. And there you have it. Everything that comes with your new Picasso Pro soft tissue diode laser. If you have questions about the Picasso Pro laser, learn more at amdlasers.com.